Hey guys, I just wanted to go over another tutorial with you guys, a little trick about clipping masks. Um, this one is pretty fun and super helpful in a lot of different instances. Um, with this example, I actually use a clipping mask to make these type of slides. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll find a background that I like, or I'll design something, and whether you want to use a jelly bean or a lifestyle, it just kind of gives a little bit of extra flair to it. With this, you'll see is that, I was able to just select out this area here and then add a layer mask to that, and was able to show the vehicle that is underneath of it. And just to show you just how you could go with that, say if I want to add a little bit of texture to this area here, um, my process for myself, each of us do our own thing, but just another way to do it is, you could go through here, select this area, Control J to duplicate like I showed previously. And I'm just going to drag in another textured layer over here. This is like a chalkboard type thing, but just to show for an example. And so you'll see it's kind of, doesn't cover all the way over there. And kind of keep going up or whatever. So obviously it looks kind of funny there, but um, with this, there's two ways you can do it. You can either right click and create a clipping mask, or you can also hold down Alt and hold between the bar, the bar or the line between the two layers, and and that also too will create the clipping mask. So that way it'll go through, cover the area you want, and you can clean it up or change it however you want to go from there. So that's just a little tip that I like to use a lot. If you have any questions, reach out.